Hello, thank you for clicking on this video. You are welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can generate any ID card. Okay, I'm gonna show you the software in which you can use to generate any ID card. If you want driving license, if you want resident permit, if you want green card, if you want fan card, those of you that are using celebrities. In fact, there's nothing this app can generate. Okay, this software will cover everything you need as long as it concerns any ID. Okay, and you can generate them from different countries. All you have to do is just put in the picture you want to use, put in the date of birth, and the app will help you to generate everything, and you will download it. If you want, you can go and print it out and make it as a hard copy, or you can just download it and send to whoever you want to send. So I'm going in to open the software. Now you can see how it looks like. Okay, so let's go. So this is how the software looks like. You can see document, countries for Facebook, tools and everything. Like now, if you want to generate anything, just come here, click on document, then you can see it will bring passports, ID card, driving license, bills, bank statement, resident permit, others, country. Then if you want to create something, like you want to create a country, then you're gonna see US, Russia, China, Hong Kong, United States of America. You can see United Kingdom, you can see France, Canada, Armenia, Australia, and lot more, bro. There's nothing you find in this software that you won't see. So if you want to go to Facebook, you can see Russia passport for Facebook, Ukraine ID for Facebook. You can even use this to open a verified Facebook account or Instagram. And if you go to tools, you can see barcode, custom background, photo generator, and lot more. So guys, what this software does is that this software, when you want to create anything, like example, you want to create an ID card, you just click on this document. So if you want a passport or ID card, just click on it, and when you click on it, then you're gonna go for the country you want to create that ID card in. For example, you want to create an ID card in Malaysia, in Ukraine, Norway ID, or German ID. All you have to do is just click on it, and when you click on it, it will show you, like example, let me click on it. When you click on it, see what it's showing. You just have to put in the person name, the middle name, the document number you want, and the sex. Once you put everything like that, this software will help you generate the ID card, and it will look more than real, bro. It will look more than real. The person, nobody will know that no, this you generate this from a fake generator software. This is real. And guess what, this software, you won't see it on Google Chrome, you won't see it on Play Store or iTunes. You can only get this software from a person who already has it. Like me now, if you want to get it, you can just subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, just subscribe to my channel, comment below, share this video, like this video, and join my WhatsApp group. And when you join my WhatsApp group, I will be giving this out. Actually, I didn't get it for free. I bought this software for 15,000, but I'm not gonna give you for 15,000. Okay, when you are coming, after you subscribe, share the video, likes and comment. Okay, and when you comment, join my WhatsApp group and message me so we can discuss business. So if you are a hustler, you need this software. And if you're a hustler and you are neglecting this software, then that means you don't know what you are doing. So if you want to ginger up your game, if you want to take your business seriously, then you need this software. It will help you a lot, instead of arguing with your client online or person that you are trying to prove that this is real or whatever. You guys know what I'm saying. So if you want to get it, subscribe to my channel first, share this video, like, comment, and join my WhatsApp group. From there we can discuss Hope you love this video, and if you love video like this, because I'll be dropping videos like this every week. So if you don't subscribe to this channel, then you are missing out. Okay, go into my channel, you can see I've already have some useful videos there where you can benefit. Love you guys, bye.